Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing another makeup tutorial and I just felt like doing something with colour, and you know what, I don't think I've ever used blue eyeshadow full on like this. It's the only colour I've used for the tutorial on my eyes. Every now and then I just decide to just go out of my comfort zone, stop using warm tones and just kind of stray away from them and just try something different. So this is what I went for today. I just played around with colour today and this is the look that I came up with. So if you do like the look of this makeup look that I'm wearing and you'd like to know how I did it, then be sure to give the video a thumbs up and just keep watching. Yes, very, very different eye look for me. So I've obviously done one eye off camera just to save time, and then I wasn't messing around with random shades when I did it on camera. So this is the eye look that ended up happening. I just felt like using blue and this is just what happened. So yeah, I'm gonna show you what I did. I do apologise though because I did dip into 3 different palettes. I just couldn't find one palette that had all blues in. So the first palette I'm gonna start off with is the Jefree Star Cosmetics Thirsty palette. This is what it looks like, and obviously I'm just gonna be using the blues. I didn't use this shade, so the first shade I am gonna go in with is the shade called Submerge. It's just a very vibrant blue, and I found with this shade that as the more I blended it into my crease, the more it kind of changed into more of a light green, as you'll probably see as I start blending this up. You see what I mean? Like it just blends into like a green when I just want it to stay blue. So I'm just gonna pack it on like that. So I then took the Kathleen Lights and Colourpop Dream Street eyeshadow palette, and I just took the shade Moony, which is this one here, and I just used this to highlight the brow bone. I didn't want to take the blue too far. And I dipped back into the Dream Street palette and I took the shade Water Bearer, which is this shade here, and I just took this BH brush. It's just like a flat kind of crease brush, I'd say, and I just took it kind of on the edges and I just kind of stamped it kind of in the line of my crease. It did go quite far up like that, it's fine because I'm gonna blend it anyway. Well, it's kind of like a halo cut crease. I'm gonna just take another blending brush and I'm gonna take Submerge again from the Thirsty palette, just that one there, and I'm gonna use this to help blend the Water Bearer shade. So because it's a lighter shade than the dark blue, it's just gonna soften it up and it's just gonna help it to blend a little bit more. Go back in with the fluffy brush and just take Submerge and run that through the crease again. Just up there. Then I'm gonna take a teeny tiny brush like this and take Water Bearer again, and then just really concentrate this in the outer corner. Open that up even further, I've got the third palette I used, which is the Morphe 39, is it? 39A palette. And I just took this, oh gosh, I was having an issue holding this up, this shade right here. It's just a really, really dark blue. That to deepen up the Water Bearer shade. It's the fun part, it's time to add concealer. So I'm just gonna use my Colourpop concealer and just my normal brush that I usually use. This icy blue shade, which is just the last shade in the Morphe palette. And I did just take it dry on a brush to help clean it around the edges, but initially I just went in with my finger and then just pressed it all over the lid. It doesn't need a Fix Plus or anything, even with a brush. It's just really, really nice. Back in with the blending brush again and went back into Submerge from the Thirsty palette and just applied that on the edges, and this is just going to help kind of transition all the different blues together. So I'm going to take the Revolution Pro Radiant Primer. That feels really nice on the skin. I need to use this a lot more. It just, my skin feels so soft, and I feel like it does look a lot more brighter than it did a minute ago. Ooh. I use that a lot more. That seems really nice. Foundation, I'm going to go in with the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation, and I've got the shade White 405. Concealer, I'm going to go in with the NYX HD concealer. To set that all in place, I'm going to go in with the Coty Airspun Loose Powder. Then I'm just going to start to finish the lash line off, so I'm just going to use the same shades. Going to take the same shades that I used in the crease and just whack them on. Back in with Mooney from the Dream Street palette and use this to highlight my inner corner. I'm going to take it on this big brush that I just got recently. It's the Zoeva Luxe Face Definer. This is a really good, like, this was expensive for Zoeva, but it's a really, really nice brush. I've been obsessed with using it. Blush, I'm going to go in with the Kiko Shade Fusion Trio Blush, and this one is in the shade 03, and I think I'm just going to whirl my brush in all of them and just go with it. Then to add some highlight, I'm going to take the Bobbi Brown highlighting powder, and this one is in the shade Moon Glow. I have been obsessed with this. It's really good for every day, and because like the eyes are so kind of heavy and the main focus is obviously the eyes, I just wanted something kind of natural, and this has been my favorite kind of like go-to everyday highlight at the moment. So I'm going to take the NYX lip liner, and this one's in the shade Need Me. It's Butter Gloss in Fortune Cookie. This is a really, really nice light nude gloss. That is the end of the video, guys, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did like this makeup look and you want me to do some more colourful tutorials, then be sure to give the video a thumbs up, and also make sure that you're subscribed as well so you don't miss any videos from me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!